And this is money clues, money clues, money clues with Marcy. Money clues, money clues, money clues with Marcy. Money clues, money clues, money clues with Marcy. Money clues with Marcy. Subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it as well with your friends. Thank you. Yes, I want us to try this new indicator by Luxalgo called the Fibonacci ranges real time. So basically, the creator of the indicator says that this indicator is plotting these ranges right on real time. And so guys, what you're supposed to understand about this indicator, it combines the Fibonacci ratio derived ranges or channels together with the Fibonacci patterns of the latest swing high and swing low. And that's why you can see the levels drawn over here, they're very, very effective because as well, we're just going to base this on live market over here. And guys, you can see right here, the indicator is not repainting. It is working on real time. Even when price gets to this level over here, it is basically reacting to it on live market. And that's what reacted to this level over here. So it is a very, very effective indicator. That's why I felt like we can basically try it and see whether it will help us in one way or another. Remember, I do tell you to really know an indicator, or rather to choose an indicator we can use in Forex trading. Number one, we need an indicator that is not repainting. Number two, we need an indicator that is working on real time. And number three, we need an indicator that is really, really reliable. That's why I do base my indicators on live market to see how this indicator is actually going to behave when price touches the indicator, or rather see how the price will react when it gets to the indicator. So guys, let me show you how to add the indicator first, because we're just going to use the default settings. And so guys, to add, you're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type Fibonacci ranges real time by Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So guys, we're just going to look at the usage of this indicator as well as we see what is happening on live market. Even before I can understand the extremity of these levels over here, they can work as a support and resistance level. That's why you can see price really reacting to this level. Watch closely what is happening to this red candlestick pattern. It is really struggling to proceed to the downside. It is being rejected because it is a very, very sensitive level, or our support level. So we can wait and see what is going to happen. So guys, watch closely on what is happening here on live market. Okay, so guys, let's look at the usage of this indicator. And so guys, what you're supposed to know about this indicator usage: number one, this indicator draws the real-time ranges based on Fibonacci ratios as well as retracement. So breakouts from a Fibonacci channel are also indicated by labels indicating a potential reversal. So guys, these are the labels we mean. You can see they are in red and they are in green. And basically guys, this doesn't work most of the time because you can see on live market we have not got any label showing us a potential reversal. So guys, we can use this indicator to understand the real-time ranges. Real-time ranges, you know, this is actually plotted over here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. They do happen right on time. So guys, you can find this indicator, some features are working and some features do not really work. And so guys, we have usage number two, whereby each range extremity area can also be used as support and resistance. What I've told you before, this level over here, this level over here, and these levels over here, you can see price is actually reacting to them. Even if the breakout of the Fibonacci channel fails to show us what we really have to see on live market to know the reversal, trust me, having these extremity levels basically help you really know support and resistance level, and they will help you really know a reversal. Like guys, when we can base this on live market over here, you can really tell we are on our support level over here, and price is actually being rejected here. So what you wait to see is seeing where this candlestick pattern will close it. You understand me? The only thing you really have to know, or rather keep back in your head, is that smart money can really play games around these levels over here. Like for instance, over here, this candlestick came up to this level. Cheating sellers, maybe we are going to sell. Mind you, it hasn't closed yet, so we have to see where it will close at. If it will close below this support level over here, that will really signify that a breakout has taken place, and see where the retracement candlestick pattern will close it, so that we can make decisions whether to sell or buy. And basically guys, I'm so glad because it is not really repenting. the support level is actually at this level over here. You can see the line, so we'll wait and see where this bearish candlestick pattern will close it. So guys, that's what you really need. You don't even have to wonder or rather be depressed like you cannot see reversal on real time. You understand me? So guys, this is all that matters here. You are going to use the extra knowledge you have. So this is what we're going to pay attention to see whether the market will proceed to the downside. So guys, on live market, you can see this support level is not repainting and it is not moving as the market is moving. It's actually very, very real, working on real time, very, very, very reliable. So guys, I've shown you the indicator as well as test the indicator. That's how I do use my indicator to see whether I will rely on it or not, whether I will use it or not. And basically, I am in love with this indicator because for real and for sure, we need an indicator that will show us exactly what we need to see right on live market. Okay, so guys, here the red candlestick pattern has closed below the support line. So this is the top line over here. So there is a probability if this second candlestick will be unable to close above this top line of support level, this will be a push to the downside, and so you're just going to target this lower line over here to be your take profit. And if your price happens to break also below this line over here, you just going to target the previous levels of this indicator over here, and you will be able to make money effectively and efficiently. So guys, the secret is waiting to see where candlestick is actually going to close it. And remember guys, we are doing this on live market. We are not back testing, and so we are so sure that this indicator is working on real time because we are seeing this on live market. We are seeing this on live market. So guys, let me hope you've learned something about this indicator. There is a lot this indicator says, but kindly pay attention on these extremity levels. That's all you really have to know. That's what you really have to know. Remember here, price happened to close below also this support level. It proceeded to the downside, and you can see as well it broke the upper line over here. So it is actually also proceeding to the downside. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Basing on live markets, this brand new indicator by Luxalgo in Tradingview called the Fibonacci ranges real time, and you can see it plots them right on real time. Okay, so guys, watch closely where a candlestick will close it, and you will be able to make rightful decisions. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. Success and everything you do, continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay. So what do I say guys? Bye bye, see you in my next video. Bye guys.